What happens when you want to convert HEIC or live photos to JPEG on your iPhone? As you know, it can be tricky figuring this out. Do not worry though, there are some ways to convert photo to JPEG on iPhone in a snap. Part 1. How to convert photo to JPEG on iPhone with the Files app. Open Photos, select Photos, tap Share, choose Copy Photos. In Files, go to Browse. Pick on My iPhone, select Target Folder, long press, tap Paste for JPEG conversion. Part 2. How to save iPhone photo as JPEG with an HEIC to JPEG app. Get HEIC to JPEG app, open, choose Photos, tap Share as JPEG top right, click Save Image. To share, select File from Share Sheet. Part 3. How to convert iPhone pictures to JPEG via a desktop converter. Learning how to convert iPhone pictures to JPEG has become a piece of cake for those who have chosen the Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. People have been talking about this method left and right. How to make iPhone photos as JPEG via HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. On your computer, download and install the Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter, using a USB cord to connect your iPhone to your PC if you want to make a photo a JPEG on iPhone. Step 2. Drag HEIC or HEIC files to the specified section, or you can opt to click on the Add HEIC option located below. Step 3. Choose the HEIC photos that require conversion, and then select JPG as the output format. It is up to you to remove or keep the EXIF data. Step 4. Click on Convert. When the process completes, click on Show in Folder to take a look at your converted photos. Part 4. Other methods to turn a photo into a JPEG on iPhone. Photo Editing app. Email the pictures. Dropbox camera upload. OneDrive camera upload.